Imagine diving into the crystal clear waters of the Bahamas, surrounded by a vibrant world of ocean wildlife. As I descend deeper, I'm greeted by the graceful movements of colorful tropical fish dancing through the coral reefs. Schools of mesmerizing angelfish and butterfly fish glide effortlessly, their vibrant hues creating a stunning underwater tapestry. But it doesn't stop there. Majestic sea turtles gracefully swim by, their ancient presence reminding me of the rich history of these waters. And if you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of the elusive nurse sharks, gliding silently through the depths. As I explore further, I encounter the playful dolphins, their intelligence and curiosity shining through as they swim alongside me. And let's not forget about the magnificent humpback whales, breaching the surface with their immense power, a true spectacle to behold. The Bahamas is a haven for ocean wildlife, a place where you can witness the beauty and diversity of marine life up close. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving these precious ecosystems so future generations can continue to experience the magic of the Bahamas ocean wildlife. Hey everyone! Today, I want to take you on a virtual dive into the beautiful waters of the Bahamas, where you can find some incredible ocean creatures. So, let's get started. First up, we have the majestic queen angelfish. With its vibrant colors and graceful movements, it's like swimming alongside a living work of art. Next, we have the Caribbean reef shark. Don't worry, they're not as scary as they sound. These sleek predators play a vital role in maintaining the balance of the underwater ecosystem. Moving on, we have the playful Atlantic spotted dolphin. These intelligent creatures are known for their acrobatic displays and friendly nature. Swimming with them is an experience you'll never forget. Now, let's talk about the fascinating Nassau grouper. These large fish are masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. But don't be fooled by their stealthy appearance, they have a big appetite. Last but not least, we have the gentle giants of the ocean, the humpback whales. These magnificent creatures migrate to the Bahamas every year, and witnessing their breaching and singing is a truly awe-inspiring sight. So there you have it, 5 incredible ocean creatures from the Bahamas. Each one unique and captivating in its own way. I hope this virtual dive has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to learn more about the wonders of our oceans. Stay curious, my friends. Imagine diving into the crystal clear waters of the Bahamas, surrounded by vibrant coral reefs and a kaleidoscope of fish. The ocean becomes my playground, a world of wonder and beauty. As I swim through the depths, I'm greeted by schools of colorful tropical fish, dancing gracefully in the currents. The reef comes alive with its intricate formations, like a bustling city of marine life. It's a mesmerizing sight, a symphony of colors and shapes. I can't help but feel a sense of awe and gratitude for this incredible ecosystem. The ocean is not just a playground, but a fragile treasure that needs our protection. Let's cherish and preserve this underwater paradise for generations to come. Together, we can ensure that the Bahamas fish and reef continue to thrive, reminding us of the breathtaking wonders that lie beneath the surface. Imagine diving into the crystal clear. Hey everyone! Today, I want to share with you my top 4 favorite ocean sea life creatures. First up, we have the majestic dolphins. These intelligent creatures are known for their playful nature and incredible acrobatic skills. Swimming alongside them is an experience like no other. Next on my list are the mesmerizing sea turtles. These ancient creatures have been around for millions of years and are a symbol of wisdom and longevity. Watching them gracefully glide through the water is truly a sight to behold. Moving on, we have the vibrant and colorful coral reefs. These underwater ecosystems are home to a plethora of marine life, from tiny clownfish to magnificent manta rays. Exploring these reefs is like stepping into a whole new world filled with beauty and wonder. Last but not least, we have the gentle giants of the ocean, the whales. These magnificent creatures are the largest animals on Earth, and their presence is awe-inspiring. Witnessing a whale breach or hearing their haunting songs is an experience that will leave you in awe. So there you have it, my top 4 favorite ocean sea life creatures. dolphins, sea turtles, coral reefs, and whales. Each one unique and captivating in its own way. Let's protect and cherish these incredible creatures and the beautiful oceans they call home.